Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. This does not fit on my desk because it's so huge and I want to get rid of this box today. And this is a PSP collection that I purchased on an auction website. Very excited to get this opened up and see what we got. And finally replace a PSP that has been missing from my collection. So without further ado, let's dive into it. I apologize for the audio. Not going to be too good. And I took the label off so you guys can't see. There we go. I'm sure they wasted a lot of materials just to get a small collection out. But hey, better than nothing, I guess. So that's all that paper. My goodness. So here's the PSP. I don't think the collection was that big, but I paid $100 for this. It was a little too steep, but you know, it came with a couple games and stuff. And it was the color white. So I said, screw it. Why not? This is crazy. Whoa, that's an official PSP case. I've never seen anything like that. Okay, guys, we're gonna transition over to my table. All right, so here we are. Let's open this bad boy up. I have so many of these freaking chargers. All right, so the games that are included are Need for Speed, Greatest Hits, Most Wanted, 510. This feels empty. Oh, that's because there's no freaking manual and it's cracked. Yeah, that looks in really bad shape. Yeah, that's terrible. Terrible shape. I didn't care about the games though. Patapon. This one I did care about. So I don't think I have this one in my collection. So let's see. Is this the manual? Yes, it is. Awesome. And it needs to be cleaned up. Sucks that I can't find these like original PSP UMD casing. We have to go with that third party or secondary party crap. And oh man. Well, at least I have it complete. I can just switch out cases, a brand new case or whatever. All right, let's get into the PSP. Hope a battery's included with it. And I'm going to try to get this AC adapter going. All right. So this is a PSP case. I've never seen anything like this. Look, it even says PSP on the zipper. That is crazy. That is cool. It's the first one in my collection. Alright guys, so the PSP that's been missing out of my collection is a 3000. Oh no. What the hell is all that? This is ridiculous. Dude, I paid $100 for this crap? Look at this. Oh, this sucks. I'm not happy with this. That's not what I saw in the pictures. Untampered with. At least it comes with the battery. $100 for this? It's a ripoff, dude. I'm not happy with this. Let's see if it even powers on. Cool. I mean, I could just change the damn housing to something better. Let's see what system software is on. 6.60. Cool. All right. Well, maybe we can make something happen with this. You know, change the whole housing to something. I mean, make more content out of this. But I'm just happy to have a 3000. Well, not really. Not in this kind of condition. I probably could have gotten a way better one. So I'll see if I can... I'll see what they can do to work with me on this, because this is not in great shape. But yeah. There you have it, guys. That is my little unboxing of this PSP 3000 I picked up for $100. Let me know what you think. If this was a good deal or not in the comment section down below.